Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic large language models. So let's get started. In the context of model compression, what is the primary goal of knowledge distillation for LLMs? The correct answer is option A, training a smaller student model to mimic the output distribution of a larger teacher model. Which component in a retrieval-augmented generation (RG) system is responsible for converting user queries into numerical vectors? The correct answer is option B, the embedding model. What is the primary advantage of using a system prompt or system message in LLM interactions? The correct answer is option C. It sets the persona, constraints, and behavioral guidelines for the model. Adjusting the temperature parameter to 0.0 in an LLM's decoding process typically results in which of the following? The correct answer is option D, deterministic output, where the model always chooses the most likely next token. The chain of thought COT prompting technique primarily improves LLM performance on which type of tasks? The correct answer is option A, complex multi-step reasoning and arithmetic problems. Which architectural feature is a key distinction of the Llama 2 model compared to the original Transformer paper? The correct answer is option B, use of root means square layer normalization, RMS norm. What is the primary purpose of red teaming in the development of large language models? The correct answer is option C, to identify vulnerabilities, biases, and safety risks through adversarial testing. Byte pair encoding, BP, is primarily used in LLMs to solve which problem? The correct answer is option D, handling out-of-vocabulary words by breaking them into subword units. How does low-rank adaptation, LoRA, reduce the computational requirements of fine-tuning LLMs? The correct answer is option A, by freezing the original weights and only training small decomposed matrices. In reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, what is the specific role of the reward model? The correct answer is option B, to predict which model output a human would prefer. Which of these is a characteristic of the PaLM Pathways language model architecture developed by Google? The correct answer is option C. It utilizes the Pathways system to enable efficient training across thousands of TPU chips. The MMLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding, benchmark is designed to evaluate LLMs across which domains? The correct answer is option D, a wide range of subjects including STEM, humanities, and social sciences. In a mixture of experts, model like Mixtral 8x7v, what does the router do? The correct answer is option A. It selects a subset of parameters, experts, to process each specific token. Which of the following describes a prompt injection attack? The correct answer is option B, using malicious input to override a model's system instructions and force unintended behavior. What is the primary benefit of KV key-value caching during LLM inference? The correct answer is option C. It avoids recomputing the keys and values for previous tokens in a sequence. Which optimization algorithm is most commonly used in the RLHF stage to update the policy model? The correct answer is option D, Proximal Policy Optimization, PPO. The T5 text-to-text transfer transformer model is unique because it treats every NLP task as The correct answer is option A text-to-text generation problem. In the context of LLM quantization, what does INT8 refer to? The correct answer is option B, representing model weights using 8-bit integers instead of 32-bit floats. What problem does flash attention specifically address in LLM training and inference? The correct answer is option C. The memory and speed bottlenecks caused by the quadratic complexity of standard attention. What is zero-shot learning in the context of large language models? The correct answer is option D. The model's ability to perform a task without any specific examples provided in the prompt. Anthropic's constitutional AI approach focuses on which aspect of LLM development? The correct answer is option A. Using a set of written principles to guide the model's self-improvement and alignment. What happens when an input sequence exceeds an LLM's context window limit? The correct answer is option B. The earliest tokens in the sequence are typically truncated or ignored. What is instruction tuning as applied to LLMs? The correct answer is option C, fine-tuning a pre-trained model on a dataset of instruction, output, pairs to improve task following. In a RAG architecture, what is the role of a vector database? The correct answer is option D, to efficiently store and search for document embeddings based on similarity. Which metric is commonly used to measure the uncertainty of a language model's predictions? The correct answer is option A, perplexity. What is the primary risk associated with data contamination in LLM evaluation? The correct answer is option B, test set examples being included in the training data, leading to inflated performance scores. Which activation function is frequently used in modern LLMs like Palm and Llama, replacing the traditional RLU? The correct answer is option C, SWI-GLU. What does rotary positional embeddings, ROPE, help an LLM achieve? The correct answer is option D, improved handling of relative positions and potentially longer sequences. In the context of LLMs, what is in-context learning? The correct answer is option A, the model's ability to learn new tasks from examples provided within the prompt itself. What is the primary function of tool use or function calling in LLMs? The correct answer is option B, enabling the model to interact with external APIs, calculators, or databases to perform actions. Thank you for watching.